Did you know, out of 1,000 people, 1,999 want to cure narcissism in someone else. The one who's honest, he's off somewhere, journaling with a bottle of whiskey, crying over his own childhood. Everyone loves to point at narcissists like it's a new breed of emotional werewolf. There's one, ordering oat milk and talking about his personal brand. And here's the real kicker. Narcissism isn't confidence, it's camouflage, a glittery shield to hide the fact that underneath there's a scared, uninformed little ego that never got its bearings. And where does that start? Let me think. At home, in childhood, right between the echo chamber of a child's ego and the silence where a father's voice should have been. Parents ask me all the time, usually while holding a soy latte and a panic button, I'm fine, it's not me, honestly, it's not me, I'm fine, it's honestly not me. But I think my child's a narcissist. What do I do? First of all, if you're already asking that, congratulations, your child is probably not the Antichrist. But here's the recipe that I use anyway. If you want it, take it. I call it CPR. No, not the kind that revives the body, the kind that revives the character. And that would be compassion, passion, and responsibility. So compassion, so your kid sees other people as real humans, not as background extras. Passion, so they pursue something beyond their own reflection. And responsibility, so they understand the world doesn't owe them something, or you don't have to go to therapy just because someone said no. But here's the bit most people miss. You don't teach CPR by shouting about it and get them to write lines. Say it again, say it again, say it again. You live it, you model it. And that's where dad comes in. You see, if narcissism is a survival mechanism born from insecurity, then security, the real kind, not the one wrapped in bubble wrap and coddling, comes from presence. Not just any presence, fatherhood. Because while mum may be the heartbeat, dad is the compass. The one who says, I love you, but no, you can't skip the hard parts. He's the one who teaches a child they're not the centre of the universe without making them feel like they don't belong in it. And that's the paradox, the art. But today, we've outsourced fatherhood to tablets, YouTubers, and gentle parenting. Influencers who've never met the boundary like they've liked, and then we wonder why. Why Timmy screams when the Wi-Fi goes off like it's a war crime. Because here's the hard truth that no one wants to say out loud. When fathers disappear, narcissism steps in to fill the void. Kids will build their identity on something. If it's not your values, your standards, your firm hand, and your open heart, it'll be TikTok trends, porn stars and podcasts, and the one sociology teacher who smells like regret and soy. And no one wants to have, no, you don't have to be perfect. No one's perfect. Everyone's shit stinks. You just have to be there, not on the sofa, not necessarily right there in the room there and then every time, but in the values, in the mirror when they grow up, staring into it. Because here's every child asks two questions silently every single day. First one is, am I safe? And the next is, what am I supposed to become? And if they only get half an answer, they fill the blanks themselves with ego, with bravado, with bullshit. So you want to stop narcissism. Forget YouTube experts with 3 degrees and no kids. Forget giving them everything you've never had. Give them you, your time, your edge, your example. Give them a father that says, you matter, but you're not entitled. And if you want to be strong, you have to carry something first.